So you've just rebuilt your Speedo and now the speedometer is reading bullcrap. No problem, this video will show you how to adjust it. Okay, it's not like I tried something and found out I was on the completely wrong path and did something wrong. Then you can compensate for that by moving this tang further in or out and move the point at which this thing here hits the tang to the left or right. No, for the pure sake of demonstration, I have made things even worse to show you that this thing is reading wrong by showing that even with no speed on it, it's showing the wrong speed. Now what you can do is take yourself a suitable wrench for this nut on top here. This one is not suitable. And now loosen this off. You don't need to loosen it much. And the most important thing is to keep this adjustment screw here where it is, because that adjusts the end play on the Speedo dial, and you don't want to mess with that any, unless you notice it's either pinching or it's wobbling about. That's a different case. Now what you do is rotate around this piece of sheet here. Tighten the nut again. And then retry. You don't really need a lathe to test this. A drill will do fine as long as you know which RPM it runs at. So the rule of thumb here is that for 1000 RPM the Speedo will show 60 miles an hour. This is reading counterclockwise, so you don't want it turning like this, but much rather like that. And I've deducted myself a little table for the speeds I can run my lathe at. For example, 200 RPM would be 12 miles an hour or 19 kilometers an hour. And 640, which is what we have got right now, would equal to 38 miles an hour. So we'll fire it up and see what it's showing. Put the board on top here to ease reading off, and that's 44 miles an hour, which is too fast. So now I'm loosening the nut again. That much maybe a little less. That much, maybe that much. And then tighten back down again. Now we're going to fire it up again. Put our readout onto here. And we're now down to 41 miles an hour. Okay, I've done a little bit more fumbling around. And now, calm down, we're reading 40 miles an hour, where we should be reading 38. However, I've checked in the lower ballpark here, and we're expecting 21 miles an hour. And the Speedo is reading 20. So, you know, that's pretty darn accurate. And 20 is 1 mile below 21, and 40 is 2 miles above 38. So we're about in a range where I would say I'm pretty happy with that. Because let's face it, it's more important to have an accurate Speedo at the lower speeds, 20 miles an hour, 30 miles an hour, where the kind people with the uniforms and the cameras are standing. So, you know, I'm pretty happy with that, as I tend to say.